The first look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been revealed, and it's already making waves. Samsung appears to be going above and beyond expectations this year, delivering more than what many fans had hoped for. But as impressive as some of the upgrades are, it's clear that Samsung is still holding back in a few key areas that really matter. Thanks to Leaks, we now have our first renders of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and at first glance, it might look very similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. However, don't be fooled by its familiar appearance. Underneath that exterior are some significant and exciting upgrades. Let's start with the display. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to feature the largest screen ever seen on a book-style foldable smartphone, not just from Samsung, but in the entire market. While the current record holder is the Oppo Find N5 with its 8.12-inch inner display, Samsung is taking it even further with an 8.2-inch panel. That's a notable 0.6-inch increase from the Z Fold 6 and even surpasses the Fold 6 Special Edition. One of the biggest criticisms of Samsung's foldables has always been the lack of truly expansive screen real estate compared to standard smartphones. Well, that's about to change. In addition to the inner display, the cover screen is also seeing an upgrade. It's moving up from 6.2 inches to 6.5 inches, and more importantly, it's becoming noticeably wider. Although the exact aspect ratio hasn't been confirmed yet, leaked dimensions suggest the unfolded device is now 11 mm wider than its predecessor. This means the cover display will now more closely resemble a traditional smartphone screen, and once unfolded, the Z Fold 7 will offer a more immersive, tablet-like experience. Samsung has also made impressive strides in the device's physical dimensions. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is significantly thinner than before, measuring just 9.5 mm when folded and only 4.5 mm when unfolded. This is a considerable improvement over the Z Fold 6, although it still doesn't make it the slimmest foldable on the market. That title remains with the Oppo Find N5. Nonetheless, Samsung's decision to slim down the design beyond the special edition version is a pleasant surprise. Camera upgrades are another big highlight. According to the leaks, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will feature a 200MP main sensor, the same powerful camera found in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This marks a significant step forward, finally bringing top-tier camera hardware to the Fold series. However, Samsung is still opting for a 3x telephoto lens instead of a periscope zoom, which slightly holds back its potential as the ultimate foldable camera setup. Interestingly, Samsung has chosen to retain the under-display camera for the inner screen. While this design choice creates a cleaner, uninterrupted viewing experience, the technology itself still has limitations. The camera remains a 4MP sensor, and there's little indication that Samsung has made significant improvements in image quality here. Despite these drawbacks, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a truly impressive upgrade. With a larger and wider display, a thinner form factor, and better camera hardware, Samsung is finally pushing its foldable lineup in the right direction. However, one area where the company has chosen not to improve is battery capacity. The Z Fold 7 still carries a 4,400 mAh battery, the same as its predecessor. This is particularly disappointing given the increase in screen size, which naturally raises power demands. It's akin to giving a sports car a bigger engine while keeping the same small fuel tank. It simply doesn't add up. To be fair, the battery life on the Special Edition Z Fold was about the same as the Z Fold 6, despite having the same capacity, thanks to a more efficient processor. The Z Fold 7 is expected to offer similar, if not slightly improved, endurance. Still, it won't match the battery performance of Samsung's Ultra series phones. A larger battery could have taken the Fold 7 from great to near perfect, but Samsung likely held back to avoid adding weight and thickness. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 delivers a host of meaningful improvements, from its expansive display and refined design to its camera enhancements. But the unchanged battery capacity reminds us that even with all these advancements, there's still room for improvement. If Samsung truly wants to perfect its foldable formula, incorporating next-gen battery tech like silicon carbide could be the final piece of the puzzle.